Welcome to know about ClickFunnels affiliate program. ClickFunnels affiliate program. ClickFunnels has an incredible affiliate program. They give a recurring 40% commission on every single product they have, including their own software, which is recurring for each person that signs up through your affiliate link. Here's how the affiliate offer for a book funnel for one of Russel Brunson's books looks like in ClickFunnels. You can promote a free book with a small fee for shipping and earn $1. Not so great. But below that you can see with the order bumps and o.t.os and the upsell in Russel Brunson's webinar on the thank you page. You can end up making $927 from promoting a free book. And this isn't just any book, this book will 10x, if not more, your marketing skills just like it did mine. Click the link below this video for more updates. Navigating through ClickFunnels interface and menus, account details, houses all your account information. Integration allows you integrate with things like Stripe or ConvertKit, my email marketing software. You can use my link to get your 14-day free trial to ConvertKit here. Domains, you get one free domain when you sign up for ClickFunnels. You can also link your own domains very easily. Digital assets, this controls stuff like uploading favicons, images, etc. My templates, this is where you can save all the funnel templates you've built with ClickFunnels that you might want to put on other funnels with a click of a button. For example, a footer template to have at the bottom of your website's SMTP settings contains the settings to your SMTP server for sending emails. Global unsubscribe, this is where you can prevent email communications in large quantities by typing in email addresses manually or entering in a file with no more than 100,000 emails (lol) at a time. Payment gateway, this is where you will link to services like Stripe for processing payments. Account billing, this is where you go to manage your ClickFunnels subscription. Affiliates, this is the most important part if you're going to be doing affiliate marketing. This is where you can go in and see all of the offers ClickFunnels has, it's a lot. But you can find the affiliate resources for each one, emails, pictures, etc., and how to get your affiliate links and how much money you make, etc. Click the link below this video for more updates. And here's a few more. Backpack is what you use if you want to start your own affiliate program. For example, if you have your own online course, you can set a commission rate that affiliates will receive if they promote it, how they can access affiliate links for it, etc. This is only included in the $297 plan only. Actionetics, this is the email autoresponder. Email marketing software also only included in the $297 plan. Now the most important part to know. How to build a funnel, click on Build Funnel. How to build a funnel now, this is a complete list of all of the funnel types in the cookbook builder. Well, all I could fit into a screenshot. Conclusion, because it's next to impossible to explain how to use a software via text, I'm not going to bore you with the details. I will, however, suggest that you watch the video here. Inside the video you will get a complete tutorial of ClickFunnels and learn exactly how to make your first funnel. And it'll be much easier for you to learn via video, for sure. Lastly, if you got some value out of this, comment down below and share on social media if you think any of your friends, family could get some value from this. Thank you for reading, until next time. Thanks for watching this video.